Hey guys, Tim here. This video is a follow-up of previous video in which I show you how to set up Google App scripts to receive incoming signals from the strategy Never Lose Capital and send corresponding orders to your Binance accounts. Now, this video is actually a step further which actually shows you how to select particular cryptocurrencies pairs to trade and also how to set base currency amounts. So essentially, if you look into the document that comes along with the download package by clicking on the link below the video, and you can refer to Appendix C, right? Select crypto pairs to trade and amounts. So let's dive in Appendix C, right? So it's page 24. All right, just go to 24. All right, so here we are. So page 24. So this page actually it shows you how to select crypto pairs to trade and amounts. So let's dive in. First of all, you got to log in the Gmail that receives the incoming signal from the Never Lose Capital strategy. Right, now you go to the right panel menu, okay, and you click on Sheet, right, Sheet here, I think. So this is it's not the right one, just do it again. So go to the Sheets. So I hope that you already created the sheets, the spreadsheets. Okay, so as shown in the previous video, okay, you just click on the sheet. All right, you got to wait for it to completely open. Then you click on extensions, go to app scripts. Right. So in the previous video, I show you how to create the script editor, and essentially just open the file. So in the download package and copy the whole contents of the scripts onto the script editor here. So hopefully you already done that. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you, first of all, you've got to turn on or off. So which which type of Binance accounts you want to place orders. So let's say you want to send orders to your Binance Spot accounts, then you got to turn this one to true, right? Otherwise, you just let it false, right? In this example, let's say I want to test on my testnet Binance accounts, so I set this one to true. Okay. Similarly, if you want to send orders to your Binance Spot accounts, you set this one to true rather than false. Right, next things you got to do is actually you got to edit the API key and secrets for each type of Binance accounts. So you go further down to the scripts. All right, so this function here send testnet Binance order. So in the first section of the function, you got to enter your API key and secrets of your testnet Binance account. Right, and similarly, if you go further down in the scripts and you see the function send Binance spot order, and you got to edit your API key and secrets for your Binance spot order accounts. Right, so next thing you want to do is to select which currency pair to trade. All right, um, now, so basically at present there are 17 cryptocurrency pairs on Binance exchange to trade. As time goes on, I will add in more cryptocurrency pairs. So at the moment, there are 17 of them, and you can select which pairs to trade. Let's say, um, let's say I want to select Algo USDT. I don't want item USDT. So if you don't want that, you can put the double slashes at the beginning of the code like this. All right. So if you want it, you just leave it there. All right. So next thing we're going to do is actually to set the base currency amount for each currency pair that you want to trade. So how you do it? So you just open the template that is provided in the download package. So let's go through an example. Let's say I have a start account balance of $1,000, right? And I want to trade this currency pair, the ADA USDT, so AVAX USDT GMT, cover USDT LRC 1, and T fuel, right? So then I got to allocate, the account balance amount for each currency pair that I want to trade. Let's say I want 10% of my start account balance for ADA USDT. I just put in 10%. Right. Similarly, if I want to allocate 10% for AVAX, to put in 10%, 20% for GMT, GABA 30%, LIC 10%, and so on, right? So make sure that the allocated funds, the total allocated funds, is equal or less than 100%, all right? So the template will automatically calculate the absolute amount, in dollars, for each currency pair to trade. Now remember that the strategy is actually a risk system with a maximum of 3 trades. So we've got the 3 trades here, so don't worry about this number. It's just a formula, right? So for each position is actually for this amount divided by 3. So it works out to be 1/3 of the allocated fund amount, right? And current price, and you got to let's say you open the Binance websites, right? And you got to check the current price of each currency pair to trade. Let's say I want to check the current price of ADA USDT. The current price is the bid is 0.5235, and ask price is 0.12. So let's say I want to pick the worst scenario is 0.523. Okay, so 0.523. All right. So this column, it will comes up with the base amount for each position, $33. Okay. So you got to round down the number. So I would pick 63. Now in the script, get back to the script. Okay, for ADA, right? For ADA, so where's the ADA? ADA here. So this currency. So I would put in 63. All right, let's pick another example. So let's say the next currency pair that I want to trade is AVAX. Yeah, so allocated fund, you want to set it 10%. So the absolute amount in dollars is $100, and each position will take about $33. And to check out the current price of the AVAX USDT, so you go to Binance websites, to type in AVAX, and the current price of AVAX is 32.72. So you pick up the biggest, so the highest price, which is 72.32. Okay, so 72 7 so what's that? 32.74, right? All right, so in this column, so it comes up with the base amount for each position, so 1 point something, and you just round out, so which is actually 1. Right, for AVAX 1, go back to the scripts, right? So AVAX here, you book 1, all right, and you can do similarly for all the cryptocurrency pairs that you want to trade. Right, so having done that, you just save the script and run it. Right, successful. Okay, so execution completed, so which means the scripts are actually executed successfully. Right, now a couple of things I want to talk about. Testnet, Binance. Right, all right. Now, in the scripts, actually, I also provide facilities for sending signals to Telegram channel. You can create your Telegram channel and send, signals to your friends, okay, and whoever who wants to receive signals. So you can write Telegram channels or group, or Discord, or Twitter, right? So these facilities are available to paid clients only. One thing I want to talk about is actually, this is just an example to send signals to Binance accounts. But actually, if you want to send signals to place trades on other crypto exchanges like FTX, KuCoin, etc., you got to contact me for the scripts. All right. All right. So what else can I talk about? I think that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.